What is the sworn written statement charging a person with an offense, subscribed by the offended party, any peace officer or other employees of the government or government institution in charge of the enforcement or execution of the law violated? A. Deposition. B. Complaint. C. Police blotter. D. Information. Answer B. Complaint. Evidence is admissible when it is relevant to the issue and is not excluded by the rules on A. Real evidence. B. Secondary evidence. C. Admissibility of evidence. D. Relevancy of evidence. Answer D. Relevancy of evidence. The fundamental responsibility of the officer in charge of protecting the crime scene is to A. Interrogate the witness. B. Engage in the search for traces left by the criminal. C. Removal of evidence which may prove important to the case. D. Preserving the site of the crime in the same physical condition as it was left by the perpetrator. Answer D. Preserving the site of the crime in the same physical condition as it was left by the perpetrator. The main reason why both traffic officers and signal lights are used on some intersections is that A. Motorists are discouraged from jumping signals. B. Traffic can be kept moving at a faster rate. C. Greater safety to pedestrians and motorists is effected. D. An officer can stop and start as necessity demands. Answer D. An officer can stop and start as necessity demands. It is the coordinating machinery in the operation of the criminal justice system. A. Department of Justice. B. Peace and Order Council. C. Court. D. Municipal government. Answer D. Municipal government. All lines, patterns, words, colors, or other gadgets except signs set into the surface or applied upon or attached to the pavement or curving officially placed for the purpose of regulating traffic is called A. Warning signs. B. Traffic management. C. Traffic engineering. D. Pavement marking. Answer D. Pavement marking. A person undergoing criminal investigation enjoys his three constitutional rights, such as A. The right to oppose whatever the accusation on him. B. The right to plead guilty or not guilty. C. The right to oppose whatever accusation on him based on his constitutional right. D. The right to remain silent, the right to counsel, the right to be informed of the accusation. Answer D. The right to remain silent, the right to counsel, the right to be informed of the nature of the accusation. A. Stab B. A. Brought B to a hospital for medical treatment. Had it not for the timely medical attendance, B would have died. This is a case of A. A physical injury. B. An attempted felony. C. A consummated felony. D. A frustrated felony. Answer D. A frustrated felony. The authority of the court to take cognizance of a case in the first instance is known as A. Original jurisdiction. B. Appellate jurisdiction. C. General jurisdiction. D. Delegated jurisdiction. Answer A. Original jurisdiction. A. Cannabis cigarette. A. Sticks. B. Knocks out drops. C. Reefers. D. Pop pills. Answer C. Reefers.